first, since Mac had to go to the works, Ronald had to pull his train. At first he liked it, but every time he goes back to the shed, he feels sleepy. And he gets tired from all the passengers complaining. He always gets used by the big engines, and he got very tired of it very quickly. And it was impossible for him to sleep since he keeps getting annoyed by the passengers complaining. In fact, since Sam had got his own branch line, all the big engines had to shunt their own coaches. The next day, Ronald got tired of pulling coaches. He wanted to pull some freight. Mr. James and his new outfit walked up to Ronald to see how he felt. "Sir," said Ronald, "I'm tired of all the hardware I get. Can we get another engine, please?" he said. "Maybe," said Mr. James. I have been ordering a lot of new engines here, but I think I might, if I might have more money. I don't know. But I'm tired of all this hard work. There are only 2 engines. Until he saw the one that he really wanted. "If I choose you, will you work hard?" said Mr. James. "Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir," said the engine. He was very excited. He'd never been on the island. He'd never been on a railway before.